Hello children, welcome to Story Time with Miss Nidhi. Today I have a special story to share with all of you because it is about a festival and the name of festival is Pongal. So let me share with you today's story title. It is Mongal stole Pongal. So what are we waiting for? Come, let's get started and figure out who is Mongal and what is Pongal. Underneath the mucky earth lived big and bubbling Mongal. More to color, more to noise. Can you hear him grumble? I can hear him. Try, I'm sure you will also be able to hear him grumble. I only like it dry and dark. I only like things grey. Creepy crawlies make me slurp. I munch them raw each day. A colorful, vibrant farming village lived along the plains, rearing cattle, plowing fields, growing fruit and grains. Every year for 3 whole days, the village gathered round. Hooray for Pongal! Thank you, son! Song and dance abound. Their happy songs, the crowds and you made Mongal pull his hair. No more Pongal! Not this year! I'll steal the sun, I swear! He gathered tools and waited till the sun began to set. The unsuspecting ball of light now napped inside his net. Ho 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 ho! I've got you, son! Mongal pranced with glee. He locked it in a mountain cave. Now how will you flee? Ha 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 ha! Mornings came, mornings went. Only darkness stayed. Plants, creatures, people too had now began to fade. Over in the city, the kids howled in despair. I want pudding! I want pizza! I want paratha! Gosh, this isn't fair! The supermarkets are empty. The shelves are plain and bare. How did they run out of things? Doesn't food grow there? Their teacher said, it's sunshine that makes all of nature flourish. Farmers toil in fields and farms to grow us foods that nourish. Let's find the sun. Head to the farms. The kids raced to their quest. They got there to discover floods right up to their chest. It's coming from the mountains. The snow is melting fast. Something inside's burning hot. Maybe a sunshine blast? They sailed towards the mountains when they found a sobbing Mongal. The floods had washed away his home. He had caused a terrible jumble. No bugs to eat. I am cold and wet. I really am so sorry. Let's right the wrong, the children cheered. There isn't time, hurry, hurry! Mongal led the search crew to the secret mountain cave, but the entrance had sealed in too tight. Things seemed very grey. Let's use the catapult, swing it high! The children bravely spoke. Again! The team pressed on until the entrance broke. The sun sprang high into the sky. A magic wand, its rays, presto! Chango! And all was well. Back to the good old days. The people rushed to celebrate cooking pots of rice and sugar. Pongalo Pongal! Ho 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 ho! Pongalo Pongal! Mongal sang. His smile grew bigger and bigger and bigger. Thank you, son, for all you do. You keep us warm and feed us. You make our world so beautiful. Such joy and cheer you spread. So children, that was the story of Mongal about Pongal. But let me share with you about this festival a little more. The name of this festival, as I told you, is Pongal. So Pongal is a Thanksgiving festival for the sun god. The sun is what makes nature grow and thrive. Pongal is held in January every year in the Tamil calendar month of Thai. This is the season when rice, cereal, turmeric and sugarcane are harvested. The above items are prominently used during the Pongal celebrations. An enjoyable part of the Pongal festival is making a sweet dish called Pongal. Rice, milk and sugar are combined in a pot. As the milk starts to boil and overflow, families come together and joyously cheer Pongalo, Pongal. The overflowing of the pot represents abundance and prosperity. Pongal also means to boil over. The second day of Pongal is called Mattu Pongal. Mattu or Madu is cow, and the day celebrates livestock such as cows and goats that produce the milk needed to make foods such as cheese, yogurt and ghee. I love cheese, yogurt and ghee too. Yum yum. The cows and calves are decorated in beautiful ornaments and then are worshipped with thanks for all that they give. The last day of Pongal is called Kannum Pongal. It is performed by the girls and women of the house to pray for good fortune and health of all in the family. Let me share a little about the sun god too with you all. The sun is a large star. Sunlight makes plants grow. Sunlight helps our body make vitamin D, which is important in keeping us strong and healthy. The sun is very hot. The sun is very far away from us. We cannot go near the sun, but we can pretend to catch it with a net by using our imagination. Looking at the sun directly will hurt our eyes. So never look at sun with naked eyes directly. Now let me also share with you this yummy recipe of Pongal. So make a note what all you will need. You will need 1.5 cups of raw rice, 1 cup brown sugar or jaggery, 1 tablespoon cardamom powder, 1/4 cup raisins and cashew nuts, 1.5 tablespoons butter or ghee. Let me leave this recipe on the screen for you all to follow. You can pause the screen and follow this recipe to make Pongal. So what you have to do, quickly fry the cashew nuts and raisins in butter in a pan. Oh, I forgot. Since this cooking involves using gas stove, so please do not attempt to prepare this recipe in absence of an adult. Always take help of your parents or an adult around. So let me get back to the recipe. After you are done frying the dry fruits, then you have to add 4.5 cups of water to a pot and allow it to heat on a stove. Once the water boils, add in the rice to the pot. When the rice water starts to froth and boil over, reduce the flame and shout, Pongal, Pongal! Then you need to add the cardamom powder and sugar or jaggery, whatever you are using. Keep stirring, stir until the mixture is thick. Then you just need to switch off the flame and allow it to cool and enjoy eating this yummy Pongal. So wish you all a very happy Pongal. See you soon with another interesting story. Bye bye.